Bonjour, Wasano Dagsukwan Dijnakas. My name is Jordan Tababadang, and I'm graduating today from the Anishinaabe Early Childhood Education Program. And one of my favorite things about this program was that it truly was like medicine and it was healing, and I learned so much from my Anishinaabe teachers, elders, and knowledge keepers throughout the program, and I'm just really grateful for all that I learned.
Krista Payette, and I'm graduating from the PSW program. The greatest thing about this school is the small class sizes and the warm environment.
Ani, my name is Charlie Halverson, and I'm graduating from the Pathways program. And in September, I'm going down to Windsor to attend St. Clair for the Early Childhood Education program.
My name's Trinity, and I'm graduating from Kenj from the PSW program. I accepted a job at the Manor in Little Current.
My name is Shelley DeForge. I graduated from the ECA program, and I'm really thankful for the teachers I got to meet and the mentors I got to look up to. And I'm currently already working in the field, so very thankful about that.
Ani bojo, minokishep kinawia, apacha chinenda mumpi don jamaunjing, migwech kina gibajayik. Bebe bedukwa dang dishnakas, medom de sing don jaba, ngik do dem, and ishnabe kwen dao. My English name is Beverly Roy, and I'm pleased to share a congratulatory message with everyone here today to our graduating class of 2023. Today is all about celebrating you. As one of my very good friends and one of my very favorite cyber elders would say, today is such an awesome day to be together. Well, many of us woke up today, checking the weather forecast, I'm sure, and maybe hoping for some sunshine. We know in our hearts that Shkakamekwe needs to nourish and cleanse all living things with some much needed rain. On days like today, I am reminded of the 4 gifts that our Anishinaabeg are gifted with. We are to look after our Shkude, our Nabe, our Ke, and our Nodin. Class of 2023, we are truly humbled that you chose Kenjgewin Teg to be one part of your learning journey. Today is all about you. It's a day to relax, to breathe, and take it all in. This is a very special moment in your life. When I reflected on the past year of 2023, it has for sure proven to be another year of what I call conscious change. I hate to mention that again, that experience of that whole pandemic, but we have to admit that it has made us all better teaching and learning users and using technology. And from what I hear, Chat GPT, or whatever it's called, is the next thing we all have to worry and think about. I really don't know too much about that kind of thing, about artificial intelligence, but I do know a little bit, very bungy, about our indigenous or our Anishinaabe intelligence. I don't know as much as our elders, Josh and Gloria, who are with us today. I just know a little. I'm still learning along with everyone else. But for us at Kenjgewin Teg, this Anishinaabe intelligence is what we have known for the past number of years, and we call it Anishinaabe Odswin. It's an official part of our organizational philosophy. Our traditional teachings tell us that learning happens everywhere, outside, on the land, and even in our teaching lodge. When we create these opportunities for learning, we connect our hearts, our minds, and our spirits, while at the same time, we know we are getting closer to our career goals and that dream job that we all want. So it's fitting today that we also take the time to honor the graduates who joined different Anishinaabe Odsawin events this past year and who have earned their graduation.
Mi Honda and Wing, Goedweon Mrs. Anishinaabe. Kenjgewin Ison Anishinaabe Akini. Ibedon Godende Mido Waswin. Stude Nirve Ake Nodin. Ibedos Sonon Green of the Windamon. Monkey Struckman. Kenjgewin Iminan Westar Windawaka. Anishinaabe Wanagadunjin. Nenidara Yoswe Kinonorman. Sagedwin, Derwin, Minabin, Funkawin, Departmentswin, Workbalswin, Inwa Akadewin. Kenjgewin Ikiniwana, Derwin, we know the win. Kamandendana, Kapishwa, Minwa, Namba, Minwa, Eshwa, Minwa, Yabber, Wanishwa.
The end of an era, but is a new beginning, the stepping stone for bigger and brighter things. Whatever program you're graduating from, just know that Kenjgewin Teg will always be your home. Now, I may be a little bit biased, but I truly believe the Pathways program is one of the best offerings here at Kenj. Before I arrived, I never imagined myself as a high school graduate, let alone at the age of 20. When other programs have failed to meet my needs, whether due to insufficient support or broken promises, I'm incredibly grateful that the Pathways program has provided me with a high school education. It opens doors for individuals who, for various reasons, couldn't achieve success through their own means. The atmosphere here at Kenj is one of acceptance and versatility, making one of the most welcoming environments I've ever experienced. From the exceptional staff and students to the breathtaking scenery of Shiging that surrounds us, I've never felt more at ease in an educational setting. Kenjgewin Teg has truly boosted my self-confidence, enabling me to pursue higher education in Windsor and become an independent.
We have worked hard, overcome challenges, and persevered through a difficult time, COVID-19, right? To get here. I am proud to stand alongside you as we celebrate our achievement and look forward to what the future holds. As we move forward, let us remember the teachings we have received, the values that we hold dear, and the importance of caring for ourselves and those around us. Let us continue to learn, grow, and make a positive impact on our communities.
The introduction. Ani, fellow graduates, instructors, elders, family, and friends. I would like to start by thanking Jade Pelche for giving me this opportunity to speak on behalf of the trade students here at Kenjgewin Teg's Anishinaabe Skills and Innovation Research Center, and for my mother who pushed me to pursue my post-secondary studies when I thought it wasn't for me. I also want to congratulate my fellow graduates for all they have accomplished this past school year and wish them the best of luck in their future endeavors. On my first day, I didn't know anybody. I didn't know where to go. All I knew was the time the class started. When I heard that there were only 5 other students in my class, I was shocked, especially after seeing the size of the shops and all the tools and materials that filled them. I thought for sure I would have 20 or more classmates. Since there were only 6 of us, getting to know one another and building good working relationships became much easier. We all worked together and had fun completing projects. Because of the low numbers, we had many opportunities for one-on-one support from our instructors when needed. My favorite class by far had to be our framing class because it was the class where we finally started to work together like a construction crew, except we built sheds, not houses. Instead of architects and engineers, we had our instructor, Mike Skippin, telling us to just go with it. That quickly became our class motto, and every time we heard someone say it, it made us laugh.
As a teacher candidate for the ITAP program and the Kenjgewin Teg, they ensured our teaching professors met all the 4 aspects of our students' learning needs, their spiritual, mental, emotional, and physical growth. Our circuit laws, Ninda, Nijo Swekinomadwin, when 7 grandfathers were embedded throughout the program. Napkalwin, Bondedzwin, Debwewin, Sagidwin, Mandedwin, Mikwadzwin, Minwa Akadewin. I appreciate the accept showing in our culture and teachings. For example, I knew it was important for the students I was teaching to know who they were as Anishinaabe. I taught them that we came from the star world and had enormous potential for growth. Students learn that they are beautiful beings who choose to learn from Shkokmakwe. Students are also learn that each of us have a unique gift to offer and teachers' roles to help students understand.
nursing program. Congratulations, Sepho. Lots of hard work paid off. And Krista Payette. These two personal support worker graduates are desperately needed. Lynette Amanika. Mother Rebecca. And yes, she is the graduates of 2023. Tyler Lewis is CWB graduates from cohort 2022. Woohoo! Let's give them a big hand, folks. Awesome job. Okay, folks, let's give a big hand to the cohort summer 2022 graduates. Woo! Awesome. Congratulations, Danette.